Everybody? It's your girl Queen back with another video, and I'm going to set my camera over here because it failed. It failed. It failed me. Huh. We're gonna find a setup. How about we use some medicine? Forget it. Forget it. Alright, it's your girl Queen back with another video, and I am trying to clean my bathroom. So my tub is filthy. My bathroom is disgusting. The kids have been in here. I did my hair. I did clean up behind myself. So let me see, can I set the camera up here? So first thing you do, can you see me? Maybe that's too high. Maybe we can use this. Huh. It's too dark. I need like something to hold my camera. Like, okay, let's just use this. Well, it may fall, but you guys know I'm here, and I'm gonna try to sling it. All right, so let's get into it. Like I said, it's your girl Queen back with another video. I have not did a cleaning video in a minute. I'm going to clean my bathroom. It is very, very filthy and dirty. My hair is a mess. I've been asleep into the new world, getting caught up with some rest. I don't know why my camera looks like that. That's better. Now you can see me. So I want to first start with the bathroom rugs. I'm going to take them out, and I don't know how you clean your bathroom, but there's really no proper way to clean your bathroom. Just you gotta have the proper cleaning supplies. So let's see what I got down here. I really don't have much because the kids have been oh man. So I think I have some spray I'm gonna use. I'm gonna do it the old school way, I guess. I'm just gonna use some Comet in my tub because that's all I have for right now. And you must have one cleaning rag when you're cleaning your tub. So I have the water running because I'm gonna probably try to make this short and simple. You're supposed to clean your bathroom once a week. So I haven't cleaned my bathroom in a minute. So I'm gonna be using this to clean the bathroom. And right now I'm just spraying it in the sink and trying to clean up. So I can really start with the easy part. My candle, I'm just gonna put in the sink. I hate that smell, and it's really strong. So right now I'm literally just cleaning my sink because it is dirty, and I may have to move some stuff to clean it because it's dirty, but I don't want the camera to fall. So I'm gonna have to invest in some more products this year, as in to be able to vlog where I can just set my camera and don't have to be trying to worry about set it up somewhere and it don't be properly set up. So now I just moved the toothbrush holder. Now I'm just moving my soap dish, which is my soap, cleaning behind things. Very important you maintain a clean bathroom. Okay? I don't know how much I can stress about that. I see people who don't clean their bathrooms, just leave it all filthy and dirty. It's a new year. Clean your bathroom up. So you have to move stuff to clean it. So yeah, for me, I'm gonna clean my bathroom because it is extra dirty. Because I have people come in here that be in here that don't have no right in my bathroom. So yeah, there you have it. Okay. All right, so now get rid of some stuff I don't need. Taisha, Tiana, stuff goes in the garbage. You no longer need none of this stuff. Always pick and play with me in here. So yeah, this shampoo is empty. I don't even know why it's still in here, but hate when I have to keep calling them to clean up. So now I got that clean. I'm gonna put my elephants back over here. I'm trying to just put this spray powder right there. I really love my elephants and these. My mouthwash, I'm gonna go back over here, back over there, and my facial soap is for my face. Put that back over there. All this stuff, I didn't get rid of it. So when cleaning the bathroom, you have to get rid of stuff that's old and that you don't need no more. So yeah, that's a part of cleaning. And I definitely forgot about my queen cup. I really love this cup. So I'm gonna kind of let my cup sit. Yeah, I probably can make room. Yeah, that's that. All right. So now that I did that, next I want to clean the toilet. Sorry about the phone. So I want to clean the toilet really good. So like I said, there's no really set way to clean the bathroom. Just spray the chemicals and let it go. So I'm going to be getting like all the oils out that belongs to honey. And this spray, let me tell you about it. This spray is so strong, y'all. It is so freaking strong. You hear me? So if you're not old enough to be using chemicals, you should not be using these type of chemicals without parent supervision. And I say that because kids will go try to clean the bathroom and be like, well, Queen said no. Queen said make sure you get parent supervision on anything you do if you're not 18 years or older. So right now I'm just basing the tub down because it is so dirty. So yeah. So this is part 1 of me spraying the chemicals. And please, do not use chemicals without your parents' supervision, okay? All right, thank you.